the if formula. It helps you to apply the if logic. Let's see, equal sign if. So in the range C4, I want to check if the value is greater than 1000 or greater than 2000 or less than 2000, something like that. So if the value is less than 2000, then I need the result. What is the value? If the value is true, what is the text you need? So yes, within the double quotes you need to mention comma. If the value is false, what you want to see the result? No. So right now the value is less than 2000. If the value is greater than 2000, what will happen is it will mention the value as no. Very simple. Equal sign if, select the value greater than 2000, comma, within the double quotes you need to mention the logical conditions. Value, if the value is true, what is the result you are expecting? I want to see false, comma, if the value is false, what is the value you are expecting? Fail. Like this you can do. Also you can check for the text values, text string. If this one is equal sign Kannan, comma, within double quotes yes, comma, no. Perfect. If the value is Kannan, I need the result of yes or else no. So I got the result yes. Is blank. It will return the logical value true if the value argument is a reference to an empty cell, otherwise it will return false. So if the particular cell is blank, it will mention as true, or else it will blank false. Equal sign is blank of, select the range. So like count blank, equal sign count blank will also work like the same. Count blank of, when you're selecting the range, it will display the value 1. So within the particular specified range, the count values are, blank values are 1. Like this we can use the is blank. So is blank, is number and is text, everything works the same. Is error. Is error. So if the particular range is error, it will display as true, or else it will display false for some of the errors. So if error also is available. If error, then we can use the other condition logics. So if this which is equal to error, then apply the other logics. We can do that. Is not applicable. Equal sign is NA of the value. Perfect. In the not applicable errors, for the not applicable errors, if you want to identify the particular error, you can use is NA formula. Is ref. Equal sign is ref of value. So I'll choose this one, true. So like this you can use the is ref formulas. So using the truncation formula, it will remove the decimal part of the number, and it does not actually round the number, just it's removing the decimal part. Equal sign truncated of the particular number. So it has been removes the decimal part of the number. Done. Whatever the values after the decimal, it has been removed using the trunc formula. Product, equal sign product of this function multiplies a group of numbers together. Product of number 1, comma, number 2, comma, number 3. You can add, multiple numbers. It's the same as using 2 multiply of 3, multiply of 5, multiply of 10, multiply of 3, which results as, using the product you can multiply multiple values and you will get the exact same results. Sum product. So this is one of the most important and useful function. Using this function, the values in the first column are multiplied with the corresponding value in the second column. Sum product of D4 to D6, E4 colon E6. Sum product of array columns. So in the product you can use only single cells, but in the sum product you can use the arrays, range arrays you can use. int. So this function rounds a number down to the nearest whole number. Round down, like round down also works the same. int, select the number. It will round the number. Round down. This function rounds a value down to the nearest multiple specified by the user. So floor, int and the other functions, everything will work like the same. So in the floor you can mention the other numbers. So if you want to minimize by 100 or 150 or anything, you can do that. For that, just mention is equal sign floor of, select the range, then comma 50 or 100 or 150, you can do that. Like this it will round it off. It will round it off the particular values. This quotient. So this function calculates the number of times a number can be divided by another number. Comma divisor. Perfect. So this can be divided by 2 times, right? This 5 can be divided by 2 times only. So the 12 can be divided by 5 only 2 times. So it's reflecting. Like the same you can use for the other values. 6, 3. Done.